I'm doing this video for anybody that hasn't switched their wipers yet on their Chevy Cruze with the Reflex Gold. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to push this little clip in, and then it will slide up and out. Just like that. If you haven't done these before, it probably wouldn't be a bad idea. Put a cloth or something down here just in case this flies back. I already got to crack my windshield from a stone, but I mean, that will break your windshield. So these Reflex Gold, they are for different models. So you're gonna have to go through them and see which clip matches yours the best. It looks slightly different than the original, but I mean, you'll figure it out. And then what you need to do is there's two clips here. You got to pull this top piece off, and then inside there's another clip that's got to come off. So there's the first clip. I kind of slid it forward and popped it off. And then this one here has got to come off as well. So I found it best if you flip it upside down and push down on it, and then it pops right out. So once you find the clip that's for yours, it's got a little track there, right in the middle there, right here. And it's got a little bar there that track goes on. So basically you just want to put it over top of there, like so, and then press till it clips on. Once you've done that, it should just slide in there. Once you have it clipped on there, make sure you remove that little protective strip. You should be good to go.